What's up, guys? It's Riz back with another video, baby. Today, what I got for you guys is a tutorial on how to tune your 808s. Let's get into it. Alright, guys, so I've laid down a simple kick and 808 pattern for you, and I'm gonna play it so you can get an idea of what it sounds like. Alright, so if you were listening to that 808, you would hear that it was definitely out of tune. So we're gonna go ahead and tune that up. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So you're gonna left click on the 808. I usually like to turn the loop off because I don't want it to repeat itself. I will make this shorter. And then I'm gonna push Control. That will bring up Edison. From there, I'm gonna click this flag, click Detect Pitch Regions. And now we can see that it says C2. That's the original note that it needs to be on. So we're gonna click this little graph tool right here. And you can see right now it says it's at C5. So we're gonna go down to C2. So I'm gonna go ahead and play it back for you guys. Okay, yeah, they're definitely still fighting for space, but if you guys want to know how to mix your 808s and your kicks so they're not fighting each other, I will make a tutorial about that in the future. If you guys found this tutorial helpful, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Tap that notification bell so you'll be notified next time I drop a video. Until next time, bye.